Am I the only one? I am Oscar Kramer. So if I if I'm right, this should stop the dump and start pumping back. Come on. Come on. I'm Oscar Kramer. Stop dumping and let's pump it back up. Come on. Come on, baby. Please. It's true. You know it. It's true. Drink the green juice. What up, fam? What up, fam? So we got a flash, nice retracement in the price of XRP and the price of Bitcoin and everything. I have some money ready to invest and add some longs. Welcome. Am I the only one paying attention to the markets? Probably not. Go ahead and drop a like and let everybody know we're here, right? Coming at you with a special live right now. Let's see what we find. We have, some of the market are coming in, and letting us know the latest. Adriana D. submits resignation as a member of the Federal Reserve Board effective August 8th. We have someone, governor of the Federal Reserve Board, she's stepping down, fam. So I'm going through the news and somebody stepping down, and he's saying, next up, Jerome Powell. Do we think Jerome Powell is the one to blame? Do we think? Do you think? All I'm going to say, guys, is how many times we wanted a nice retracement, and you are seeing it today. There you go. It's going to be a hot August. That's what it looks like. See that? This was early today. Then we have a nice comeback, couple of percentages, and then back down once again, 289. That's a double bottom, right? Double bottom. So 289, that's not bad. I mean, that should be a nice comeback if I haven't seen that one. Actually, I have it right here. Double top is that's a bearish one. Double bottom is a bullish one. So double bottom, it's a reversal, which should be coming back up if we're coming from a higher price, which we are. So not a bad idea. You always want a nice retracement if you sell the top. It's true. That's true, my man. Well done. Let's go to the 1 hour right now. 291. Let's go to the 1 hour here. Just look at that, man. Fierce and pretty powerful sell candle right now at 290. We'll take a look at the 4 hour. I'm using BTCC for this one. Look at this. Looking at the price of XRP here. Was end of July at 332, and then all of a sudden, after the FOMC, we start the Fibonacci right here. We have done a complete 100% retracement. Complete. Started mid-July, actually. Mid-July. Wow. Mid-July. That's crazy. And then About 16 days later, we're back where we started. Part of the reason that if you're trading, it's always good to take profits. If you're long, absolutely long and long term, and you're just adding and accumulating for years, years ahead, I mean, you shouldn't have any problem. You're just accumulating whatever's best for you. Good. Trump sent 2 nuclear submarines to Russian waters. Oh my. That's probably why. Let me open. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Too late. Powell should resign, just like Adriana, a Biden appointee, resigned. She knew she was doing wrong. Wow. I've been I've just been informed that almost 20,000 Russian soldiers died this month. Sad. I think Trump is now seeing, right, that the effects in the economy with no cuts. 291. It's not bad, man. We're getting the double bottom rejection. 292. There it is. See that? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to go to BTC scene and we'll go ahead and take a look at XRP 292. Not bad. I mean, if you're looking to get a much cheaper deal, this is a little risky trading, right? If you're obviously very expert at this, then go ahead. I'm sure that you're going to do really well. For those that are thinking about buying the dip, does look like we can go a little lower. This is 290. So once I have some cash on the side, a big one, then I'll go ahead and start buying some XRP. Like I told you, anything under $3 XRP, that's a buying zone for me, right? Just remember, there's less people here than 2 weeks ago. Why? 2 weeks ago, it was well above $3. Now we're under 3, and things are not looking great, but they're still very, very good. So I have good news, guys. You have another chance to buy under $3 XRP. Isn't that amazing? Riverside, hey, buddy, good to see you, buddy. Welcome. JM, welcome. How low do you think it's gonna drop? Not much, honestly. I don't think it's gonna drop that much. There's not much reason why it should drop that much. I think honestly, I'm gonna start along because I don't really think. I mean, there's gonna be like a big, mega, fancy drop, unless we have some worse news. But all the news that we got, I mean, what is my liquidation? Liquidation is 279. I need to change using a VPN here. This is a black. Is this a black swan event? I don't think so. Some people are saying 225 drop, 266 entry. Okay. XRP back to $1. Well, all of those people saying that it's not gonna happen, my friends. It is not gonna happen. Any chance you have these levels, I mean, it's not a bad idea. I mean, look, that's a nice double bottom and we're getting the confirmation, so well done. Look at that, 293, well done. BTC 113. You know, I think I'm gonna do a BTC. Why not? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. I want to make some quick money. Let's take a look at Pengu. Ethereum went down too a lot. Ooh, Sui went down so much. Wow, Sui, bro. Sui looks so delicious right now. Sui, bro. From 446 to 3. It dropped $1, bro. Wow. Sui, bro. Like, I wanted more Sui, but this one, not bad. Some delicious prices, man. You don't want to leave some delicious prices, man. Solana is worth than Sui. Oh, let me take a look at Solana then. 161 from 200. Oh, boy. Yeah, Solana dropped a lot, dude. 161.50. Ooh, you're right. Take a look at the Solana TA. Wow. Actually, XRP is doing really good. XRP is holding pretty tight. Wow, this is really, really nice. Go to standard futures. Solanita. Solana, where you at? There you at. Solana, bro. I mean, don't miss Solana, bro. 153. Yeah, I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. We'll do 20x. That's amazing, bro. All right. Guys, raise your hand if you love the blood on the streets. This is when I get excited. Sadly, we don't have a lot of people because everybody's panicking, right? But this is when I eat. Those are the hands I wanted to see. Only top people are here. It's true. Then later, you're like, Oscar, how do you have those amazing positions? Because we buy the blood on the streets. It's already good. It's already good on some. In some position, it's already really, really, really good. Will it get worse? Kramer, what's going on here? It's Liberation Day again. Also because of the tariffs, too. Tariffs. So there's a lot happening, right? Tariffs, unemployment, jobs, resignation from a governor at the Fed, and NUKED. It's a bunch of things happening right now. I get it, man. I get it. Crypto revenge. You're definitely comforting when you reassure people. Thank you, Oscar. That's why I pay memberships. Follow you. You're genuine and awesome. Guys, you're going to make me cry, man. Come on, bro. Thank you, guys. We're here because I care about you guys, care my community, and then we're just putting in the work. I actually want to go to the gym right now. I wanted to go to the gym. Like, I need to move, you know. I don't really come or do a live right now. It's kind of not my time, but I was here and I'm like, why not? Go ahead and say hi to the fam. Because I do want to get in some positions, and I'm showing you like we can with some money that you have on hand. Why not? It's risky, but risky is our name too. Risk, risk, risk. But I'll tell you, Trump is tired and frustrated with Powell. He is not going to have a good time. Guys, tell me in the comments, why would someone working at the Fed resigns? Why? Any reason why they would resign? I have an answer. Answer is they don't agree with the committee. They don't agree with the chair. They're tired of them and they just want out. That's the way I think. That's the way I think it works. For the crown, an audit is coming and they're leaving before the hammer falls. My friend, it's true. It's falling. For show, for show. Go ahead and take a look at another position just in case. Positions, 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 positions. We want some positions to make some cash, quick money. There you go. Just in case I have some future money for more. They don't want to be attached to the stupidity. I know, right? Cardano, 70 cents. Solana, minus 7%. Pepe down. Let me take a look. Some projects are 20% up, 11% up. Other projects are 28% down. Turbo is mega down. Brett is mega down too. Bunch of mega down projects, which it happens. Ooh, look at that Ethereum mega red candle. Coinbase is down? No way. That's the last thing we needed. Come on, Coinbase. Why are you down? All XRP holders be like, a lot of people looking and liking that one. I love it. Fed is breaking down. Fed Governor Adriana just resigned. When does Powell tap out? Well, Donald J. Trump, my bro, I mean, you're going to be waiting for a while. I mean, he's not going to resign. He's just not going to do it. I know you are tweeting and posting every single day about Powell and speaking about him, but he's not going to, it just doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. People want to actually change, but it's just not going to do anything. What is this? Oh. For the first time in 32 years, two sitting members of the Federal Reserve Board publicly dissented from their sitting Fed chair by voting against Powell and voting for an immediate rate cut. Huh. Guys, we are about to uncover something really nice within the Fed, which I don't really want to get more exposure in a way that is going to affect the markets to a point that people are going to be running and crying because things are going to crash a lot. But I hope Powell, it's not going to mess everything and let people investigate, right? He's not going to block anything because you never know. Ryan says we've been through this way worse. Just huddle. 100%, buddy. 100%. Just huddle. You're right. You're absolutely right.
In the last 4 minutes, we can break the news that the Federal Reserve Board of Governor Adriana Kluger has resigned. Her last day will be August 8th. She sent the letter to President Trump minutes ago, which means that President Trump gets to pick a new voting member for the Federal.
Oh, no way. Really? See, that's why I watch the news.
Reserve. Now, this comes on a day that the White House announced those new tariff rates on just about every country around the world. In the last 4 minutes, we can break the news that the Federal Reserve Board of Governor Adriana Kluger has resigned. Her last day will be August 8th. She sent the letter to President Trump minutes ago, which means that President Trump gets to pick a new voting member for the Federal Reserve. Now, this comes on a day that the White House announced those new tariff rates on just about every country around.
Cool. Well, Trump, come on, maybe. Give us someone that's powerful. Is everybody having a good time? Question, is everyone having a good time? Question for everybody here. Drop a like, fam. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Hey, I told you, I'm Oscar Kramer, expecting crashing. Not gonna happen. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. And don't you know? Pump it up. I knew it. I knew it. Come on, maybe. That's why that's why I go live, to stop the crash. I stop the crash like this. It's magic. It's one of my hidden powers, I can't believe it. Honestly, I'm just having some fun time here. I'll let you know in a week. JB, Chipper, good to have you guys. Welcome. Oscar, you need to be live 24/7. I know, right? Can't believe it, bro. I mean, it's just one of those days. Today is one of those days, guys. And if it's one of those days, you better be doing your work and be buying the dip, because today, August 1st, count bad jobs report, bad unemployment rate, resignation from one Fed governor, bunch of tariffs, and the day after, no cut. Big five. And you're telling me that the biggest shock was a 30 to 25 cent retracement by XRP? Guys, we're going to do so well. We're literally going to explode in the future. All right? It's true. So far, 290. Nice double bottom. That's a bullish trading pattern. If we continue holding the line, we only have to survive Bloody Sunday. That's it. Bloody Sunday. Hmm. $12 trillion BlackRock asset manager predicts they will cut in September. Oh no, no kidding, buddy. Yeah, everybody knows they have to do something. If not, they're really gonna get hate from everyone. Everyone is gonna be like, "Are you joking?" 162. Come on, Solana. Come on, Solana. Make me some money, Solana. Hey, hey, hey. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. And don't you know? Pump it up. We got it, baby. We got it. These are really, really, really quick ones. Very risky. So that's why, gotta be swift with them. Because if it was 159, bro, I couldn't say no to that. I mean, like, you tell me it went to 200 and 160, bro, $40. I'm going in. If I lose it, I lose it. But man, the way I think, and I'll be keeping an eye on it for sure. Pengu holding too. I hope Pengu is holding. Come on, it went down so much. But that's why I wanted to say hi. I mean, it's just one of those days where what is this?
Yo, Trump, what the hell are you doing, dude? Just absolutely nuking our bags. Yesterday was basically one of the most bullish moments in crypto, literally in the entirety of all of cryptocurrency history, and Bitcoin for that matter. You got the SEC right after the White House, both being very bullish on setting up frameworks to help amplify and provide direction for the future of cryptocurrency and basically make crypto at the center of all financial markets. And then Trump decides, hey, you know what? That trade war, that was going pretty well. I'm gonna send some nuclear subs over to Russia too. What are in those files? That's the real question. We know the war is a good distraction. We know this. We know that about you.
That's where you can tell. Looking at the U.S. I don't think he's from the U.S. I don't know. This is good, bro. Realizing you missed the top again and you're stuck in this hellscape for another 3, 4, 5 years. No, 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 no. No, no, no. The top is not in. The top is not in, bro. That's so fun. Panic seller. Whale. Today's job numbers were rigged to make me look bad. I tell you, fam, things are gonna get more interesting. Oh yes, you're gonna get more interest. It is what it is. This is nothing. We're about to do well, but just a reminder, everybody, that long term, all fine, trading, that's what we do. Links down below, everybody. Join me on BTCC. You have crypto.com, you have BingX, you have Weeks, Bitunix. Deposit, get some welcome bonuses, make some money. And everybody, just 30 minutes of fun. Just want to say hi and see how you guys are holding on. But will be keeping you in the know. And I want to say thank you guys for stopping by. That's it. That's it. I just want to say that for at least 30 minutes, we didn't keep crashing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, I tell you, Oscar Kramer. That's a badge of honor. That's a badge of honor. So, good stuff, fam. We have a double bottom. Not nice. So, hopefully, we can reject and we'll continue observing little by little. Can you trade BTCC on USS? On what is USS? In the USA, yes. Thank you, guys. Have a good one. Drop a like. Let us know in the comments down below. Enjoy. There's more community coming in. Join my Patreon. Join the Discord, guys. Links are down there if you want to get to my private community. Also, the free Telegram for trades and more. It's also there for you guys. And if anything, we'll have our moderators helping us with the questions. Take care, everybody. Have a good one. Peace.